Assalamu alaikum. If you want to watch new videos on our channel, then subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Moreover, for appreciation, like our video and share it with your friends. You can also comment below giving your suggestions. Now let's start today's video. The Old Man and the Sea is a novella written by Ernest Hemingway and published in 1952. It tells the story of Santiago, an aging Cuban fisherman, and his epic battle with a giant marlin in the Gulf Stream. Here is a brief story of the novella. Summary: Santiago, an elderly and impoverished fisherman, has not caught any fish for 84 days. Determined to break his unlucky streak, he sails far out into the Gulf Stream, where he hooks a massive marlin. The battle between man and fish becomes a test of Santiago's strength and endurance. After an exhausting struggle, Santiago manages to harpoon the marlin, but he faces another challenge on his journey back to shore, as sharks attack and devour the marlin, despite losing his prized catch. Santiago's determination and resilience are a testament to the indomitable human spirit. Here are some quotes from famous critics and commentators about The Old Man and the Sea. Hemingway's The Old Man and the Sea is a profound meditation on the human condition, a story of triumph and tragedy, and a testament to the author's unmatched storytelling prowess. The New York Times. In Santiago's epic battle with the marlin, Hemingway explores themes of man's relationship with nature, the struggle for dignity, and the inevitability of suffering. It's a masterpiece of storytelling and symbolism. Literary critic James Baldwin. Hemingway's sparse prose and deep symbolism in The Old Man and the Sea captured the essence of the human experience, where determination and resilience are the key to facing life's challenges. Literary scholar Susan Sontag. This novella is a testament to Hemingway's mastery of the iceberg theory. What's unsaid is as powerful as what's on the page. The Old Man and the Sea is a universal story of human strength and struggle. Literary critic Harold Bloom. These critics recognize the novella's profound exploration of themes such as human resilience, the relationship between man and nature, and the endurance of the human spirit. It remains a classic work in American literature. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, share it with your friends, comment below for your suggestions. Thanks for watching.